How to fill out your 1095-A form on TurboTax for 2024. This form reports your health coverage and can affect your tax return, so accuracy is essential. First, visit the official TurboTax website and sign into your account. Don't have one? Creating a new account is quick and easy. From your dashboard, click on Federal in the top menu. Then go to Deductions and Credits. Your 1095A may impact these. Use the search bar to type 1095 and select Medical Yachar 1095A ACA when it appears. Click Start and carefully enter your form details. TurboTax guides you step by step, so make sure your numbers match your official 1095A form. Exactly, and that's it. You've successfully begun filing your 1095A on TurboTax. Following these steps ensures your health coverage information is accurate and makes tax season